Hey guys, this is Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video, and today I'm going to unbox this Panamax MR4300. And the features, as we have on here, as I'll go through, it's rack mountable. It has a front outlet and a USB on the front of it. Has a digital readout, some 45-degree left and right turn knobs for lights, so you can light up your equipment. And then you have all your outlets on the back with two separate banks, one bank here and one bank there. So you can, reset that one bank and then reset that one bank all in a different motions. So as you see here, it's all brand new. So we're gonna open it up. Use this little flathead. Tear the tape. So as we open this up, the first thing we're going to pull out is the reference manual that shows you everything about the warranty and the product information. And we get some nice little styrofoam pieces to keep it nice and seated in here. Pull the plastic out. And then we also have the rack kit that I was telling you about. And in this particular one, I will be using the rack kit, so we'll need to keep that and the screws that come with it so we don't lose them. So as we look here at the front, we have our lights that turn 45 degrees to allow you to illuminate any of your AV products. So let's say you have some games or something right below it, it'll illuminate that pretty well. And you also have the front power port here and a USB port for charging phones or a controller or whatever you may need. And then we'll spin it around the back. Just like on the box I showed you, it had the two banks to reset each individually. And if we look right here, you can see the light indicators that'll tell you whether or not they're on or off. So when you look at the back here, you got all your coax in and outs, and then all your LAN in and outs for your internet and your telephone. And then you got a ground over here to ground it out to a good metal structure. And just to kind of show you the rack gear kit, I'm going to go ahead and install it. It gives you some screws and some washers, and then you can take it and I'll set it like this so hopefully you can see. And it gives you two holes to line it up with. So, and it allows you to just be able to space it back with the front overhang a little bit or flush. I want this one flush, so I'm going to use the second screw holes. And make sure I use the washer. I always like to thread them in there fingerly before you tighten them down with a drill or a screwdriver. That way you know they don't get stripped. Once I got it tightened down on there a little bit, I'll go ahead and I'll flip it around. We can get the other side done. Line it up on the back set of holes. Put a little washer piece on here. And then you actually have a screw in, and then repeat the process on the other side. And then we can grab our screwdriver or drill, whatever you prefer. I prefer a screwdriver just so you're not over tightening, you don't want to damage anything. And when you're tightening it down, you want to make sure they're nice and firm. You just don't want to over tighten them. So once it feels pretty sturdy, you can go ahead and let it go. So and there we have the rack kit on there ready to go. I'll show you pictures soon of the rack completed. Thanks, have a great choice day, and remember to like and subscribe.